Now, across the globe, China is pulling out all stops to jumpstart the slowing economy, rolling out a wave of incentives to get people spending again. From childcare subsidies and higher wages to better paid leave, the Chinese government is making it easier for families to balance work and life. Here are the details of these stories and other stories making headlines across the globe.
China is offering $41 billion discount program on everything from dishwashers and home decor to electric vehicles and smartwatches. The full-fledged spending spree is aimed at boosting consumer confidence and driving economic growth. China's economy got a boost as retail sales grew 4% in early 2025, but home prices continued to fall. While the United States battles inflation, China faces deflation after prices have dropped for 18 straight months, hurting business profits, wages and jobs. With sluggish growth, high debt and unemployment, China is pushing to boost consumer spending. As China targets 5% growth, President Xi Jinping hopes rising consumption will offset the impact of U.S. tariffs. Meanwhile, Forever 21 may be closer to shutting down in the United States after its operating company filed for bankruptcy protection. The retailer says stores and its website will remain open as it begins winding down operations. Once a fast fashion favorite, Forever 21 has struggled with rising costs and online competition. After first filing for bankruptcy in 2019, it was rescued by investors, but challenges persisted. The company now plans liquidation sales and may sell assets under court supervision. Forever 21 stores outside the United States won't be affected. Finally, illegal gold mining is posing a severe threat to the sustainability of cocoa production in Ghana, with many farmers and experts calling for the government to provide greater protection against this illegal activity. Ghana, which is the world's second largest cocoa production and generates about $2 billion in foreign exchange each year from cocoa, is facing a sharp decline in production. Ghana's cocoa regulator estimates that 81% of cocoa farms in the eastern region, 74% in the western region, and 68% in the Ashanti region have been impacted. In the past 3 years, cocoa production has dropped by 50% due to illegal gold mining.